Bernard. Why I'm here? Oh? Why I'm here in your country?
Why are you here?
Yeah.
Please ask the guy.
Me. I'm asking you.
No, why are you here?
I'm asking you why I'm here.
Because I love you.
Ah! Atikon. Hey, is that true? Is that true?
Yes, yes.
True. It's true. It's true. Oh. Okay. Ang handa mga side kay init daw guys. Iba kay rin kayo. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. Toy. Maniod to guys. This is my food. Beans. Tapos with bread and avocado. Yummy, yeah. Now kay na rin bisa ng jacket na. Sa init. Maniod to kami. I'm happy here. Mga buutang kayo sa ludorin. Daghan akong food guys.
It's for you.
Oh, this is
Eat
enough.
first. When it remains, then we eat more food. Can you eat food?
Yeah.
Eat it here first. If it remains, then
That's it. Wala. Nothing. Nothing, Bernard. Hey. Hey, hey. Look here.
wala may lang.
Hey. Hey.
Wala.
That wala. Wala. See, we're walking like this. Kanang pagkid bitaw sa lubot guys. Nagko kasi na pumalubot diri guys. Part ng mga lalaki madagko sila. Ha? Nawa. Hamon sila. Pati manikin diri dagko kay lubot. You know what is lubot? Yeah. Dako og lubot. Mga tao diri. Like let me siyang igsuon. Hi Bernard. Do you love me? Hey, I love you. Hey, do you love me? Oh, don't kiss here. like your hair?
It's disobedient.
Let's say charut.
Salute.
Charut. Charles. Char lang. You say char lang.
Chalang.
Car lang.
Kalang.
Red. Red.
My name is this.
Red, darling. Akong.
Akong.
Read it.
Akong pa nga lanikay. May de Sambarato, Taga, Kenya.
Hoy! How you read it? This one.
Switch off the video.
Pa. You read first.
I know.
Pa?
I know your intentions.
What's my intentions?
Is to post it on like
Bitter, you know.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Because now there's no.
Akong bana nga malimtanon ang susi sa iyang office kay nalimtan. Radong.
Too much.
Too much. What are you saying? Too much.